Bafowethu sesiphinde sabuya ke siniphathele uAnda Ntanzi sisakhona la ICC namhlanje asikho uAnda Ntanzi kodwa sekwa Resurgence festival sibonga kakhulu mfethu ngaleli thuba futhi uphinde usipha lona
Phutho omkhulu kujabula mina noma ikuphi mfethu uzongifica uAnda Ntanzi is is everywhere is everywhere uzongibalekela ngale kwi one man show ngifice ku Resurgence ubule ungifice kwiMayine ngomhla 31 December so ngikhona yonke indawo la wekhona no ngithanda uzangithande
njenganobani wathena 30 wese trend kangaka
no lalela but kusatrend namanje sazotrend kuze kuphela unyaka
bafethu hayi kumnandi kakhulu mfethu ayiyo amasingalong amangaka mfethu
no mfethu uNkulunkulu uyasiza kakhulu ukuthi asinikeze great musical ideas esikwazi ukuthi ngawo sithinte almost everyone it's not akusinto ekwazi ukwenziwa komqondo womuntu but it can only be God.
No ngiyathanda kakhulu mfethu ngiyathanda kakhulu ngale idea ekuhlanganwe ngayo namhlanje because kuhlangene ngokuthuthukisa amabhizinisi abantu abamnyama and I know ukuthi omunye wabantu abayigqugquzela into kanjalo ngiyathanda usigqugquzele nabantu osomabhizinisi abasebancane bajwayele ukuhamba izinto ezifana nalezi.
Yeah, of course mfethu angikhuthaze bonke abantu abaningi would have heard me showing yami last week mangithi abantu mabesuka la abahambe be at the Mushroom Lounge. It's not just because it's one of the businesses I love, but I love the business because it's black owned. And so fanele sibakhuthaza abantu every opportunity we get ukuthi nangakini if there's a black business support them, show them support, give them your opinions, yabo your ideas, complain if kukhona la ungaboni kahle khona so that businesses will grow, but only ngagcina complain support thenge and not go esitolo zabanye abantu sikhona sangakini esona umuntu omnyama. And so lokho esikhuthazayo abantu bangizwile and I'm still emphasizing it namanje. Let's support black businesses.
Bafethu nayizwela ke siyazi ukuthi uAnda Ntanzi is a brand, is a business ngokwayo siqhubeke support music uAnda mhlambe sikuthola kanjani nanokuthi mhlambe yini obhizi ngayo siyazi ukuthi you have a new album and okungithusile kakhulu ukuthi wathi uyilaunch last week already bayisinama singa lonke.
No man kusijabulisile kakhulu ukubona abantu ukuthi should bayasilalela masikhuluma. People know our music and it's a blessing. Siyabonga kakhulu but otherwise laba bangakawutholi abaya kuma digital platforms ukhona music ugcwele mfethu mawuthi UAnda Ntanzi ngiyavela yonke indawo kuma platforms ungicheke but if you want to connect and stay in touch with us you can check us out on Instagram I'm @Ntanzi, Facebook UAnda Ntanzi, TikTok @Ntanzi Superstar. That's what's up.
Njenganobani
Yazi mfethu okulandela safanele sigcwalise Moses Mapida manje and make a statement ukuthi gospel music is here and it's here to stay.
Okay usakhuluma kanjalo mfethu engathi kungasheshe wenze lokho ngoba abantu kade bekhala la ngaphandle bethi beze ku UAnda Ntanzi uyabona ukuthi abalithola ngethuba last week because ishow it was sold out and then basebenzisa leli thuba mfethu yo
no mfethu siyabonga kakhulu. I think next time we must just go out to the stadium indeed. If not we'll have to do a 2-day show and just give people what they want. After all we are called to serve abantu and that's who we are here for.
Ukugcina nje mfowethu ngiyayithanda kakhulu indlela spreada ngayo ivangeli lika Jesu ivangeli kaNkulunkulu ngiyacela ngigqugquzele especially thina abantu abasha kakhulukazi ukuthi it's like thina siyalekha kakhulu when it comes to ukusebenzeleni uNkulunkulu.
Yeah, I mean I think for the longest time abantu abasha batshelwe into ukuthi obane perception which is really distorted. I mean because batshela ukuthi bayitshela ukuthi into okholwa nento okusonta nento okukhonza abantu abakhulile abantu abathize and so and also it's a challenge to us esesilazi iqiniso to go out more and speak more to young people and be relatable. Because that's another problem we have njengabashumayela basebasha asikho relatable sivele sifike kwabantu abasha namasudu no tie and abantu abasha mfethu bavele bebona ukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukuyimela lento. There's nothing wrong with wearing suits and ties but we need to be as relatable as possible so that young people out there abalingana nathi our peers will be able to hear us ukuthi no you can be cool and be safe at the same time. Being cool is not ungodly, it's just looking nice and fresh and energetic and full of life. You know, that's being cool. And so you can be cool and be saved at the same time and serve the Lord. And it's nice.
Yo, uzwileke bafethu. It's always a pleasure mfethu kuba nawe, siyabonga kakhulu, uNkulunkulu akubusisa kwandisela.
Ngiyathoba kakhulu mfethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu.